All right, people, today we have a sheetrock hole that they cut out in the wall, and our job is to replace it. Now, explain to you guys. Sometimes you have to replace sheetrock hole and it doesn't have a stud, so you would have to put a piece of board behind it and screw it in and then screw it down. You have many other techniques, but right now we're not going into all those techniques. Right now what we're going to do is cut the piece, place it in there, and sheetrock the hole. So first, you got to measure it. You guys see the way you measure? Get your tape. You measure from here to here, 7 inches, and from here to here, 7. So we're gonna cut a piece from this sheetrock board 7 by 7. So I'm gonna use my tape so you guys can see. Tape 7 inches this way, 7 again, because you want it to be perfect, 7 again. All right? You get a piece of straight board or your square. If you have your square, you should have your square. In this case, it's a small little thing I'm doing here, so no square. So this is what it looked like when you actually mark it down. See that? Can you see it good? Let me stop. I'm sorry guys, sorry about that. The phone ring and had to answer, so that's kind of messed me up. So I kind of moving on while I'm working, but I think I show you guys how to put it in, and now I'm putting the mud in it. And then once the mud is in it, then just gotta wait and then texture it. Okay, that's the mud. That's the mud you have to buy for a small repair, you know, like that. I mean, they got 5 minutes, but right now that's what we're using because we had that a couple times. So just take your time, pace it, and before you continue, we have to give it time to dry. Okay, it's not a rough process. It's not a rushing process. Okay, so we're gonna give that time to dry. We're gonna come back again and mud it again because we want it perfect, and it's not perfect. Okay, might look good, but it's not perfect. All right, it looked good. And show you guys. You see, you gotta wait for it to dry a little bit. You have 5 minutes more, 20 minutes, and 45. But right now we're using the all-purpose compound for it, which is the mud we call it. All right. So just give it a little time. Make sure you shed it, or else it's gonna get hard. And here you go. That's the patch for the hole. I'm gonna give it more time. When it's done, we're gonna show you me. All right. Bye.